Ever wanted to create your own video game? With Godot and GDScript, you can bring your ideas to life. Whether you're a beginner or an aspiring indie dev, this tutorial will guide you step by step. Let's dive into game development with Godot and start coding our first game together. So, why use GDScript? Unlike other game engines, Godot has a simple Python-like language that's beginner-friendly, lightweight, and super efficient for game development. It's designed specifically for Godot, making it the best choice for your first game. As a dummy in the world of game dev, a buddy needs to know the magic behind controlling objects in games, animating everything, and even the logic of interactions among them. So, in this tutorial series, I will provide a complete guide for the beginners in game dev, showing detailed practical lessons on GDScript, the specifically used language in Godot game engine. For more and more about it, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out.